Adam LZ World Tour, I got the opportunity to announce we rented a mansion, I got tattoos, and it is going to be an insane weekend.
Cool.
Later, but
I think you guys got us in there.
All right, guys, I am here in Hamilton. I am in town to do the LZ Fest. Tonight, I have the Vibrant private party thing that's going on. But first, while I'm in Hamilton, I'm gonna stop by my buddy JP's shop, who's left out some goodies for me for the protege. So I got a quick drive there, and then I get to find out what he has left for me for this car. I'm pretty pumped. I already know what it is, but I don't want to spoil it yet. So bit of a drive there, and then install those parts probably in his parking lot. And then my wife's getting a tattoo right now, so I'll come back to make sure she's good, and yeah, lots and lots to do. All right, trunk mat, spare tire, that right there. Reverse cowl carbon fiber. That is what I'm here for. That's the real reason. Everything else awesome, but that's the real reason. I'm gonna get everything else loaded up in the car, and then yeah, pretty pumped. All right, this is it. So huge shout out to JP. If you need Mazda parts, this is a guy to go to. There's a huge history with this hood in particular, but it's on there. There's a couple of weird little fitment things. I ended up having to steal some hood bolts from there. But pretty pumped. So now just head back to the tattoo shop. I got a bit of work to do. Wife wants a snack already. Yeah, and then tonight we've got the Vibrant meet. So pretty pumped. But yeah, if you need Mazda stuff, JP is definitely the guy to go to. Canada, US, anywhere, he will ship it to you. Protege, Mazda 3, Mazda 6, whatever, he's got it. Okay, so Jessie's done her tattoo. This is Jess. I don't think she's been on a video. And now we have to go pick up Nicole, who is one of our staff members and a friend, obviously, and then dinner, and then Vibrant thing. So it's a busy night. And then I have a tattoo tomorrow, which I don't think I'll film because I'm a bitch. So, all right, this is Nicole. Nicole works at the company. We are at Vibrant Meets, like invite only. Kind of thing. I don't even know. We're literally just walking in, so I have no idea how it's going to actually be. It'll be good. I'm curious how many of these cars, like I know the owners. I can already see that Mark II. I'm 90% sure I know who owns that, so pretty excited to see though. All right, pretty sick event. We're heading out already. This is already demonetized. That's great. Yeah, got everything set up. Chatted with Dave Eagan to get everything set up for Saturday. We chatted with a bunch of different people. Grant, yeah. I don't know. I don't know who most of them are. And now we get ready for tattoos. Okay, just finished up some tattoos around this arm. I had to grab some snacks and stuff, but I'll talk about what I got maybe later, but what we still have to do is stop at the track quick. The biggest thing is go check out the house we're renting because it is insane. We booked it a while ago, so it's super cheap. When you see it, you're like, what the hell, dude? Nice. Is the fountain running? Oh, the fountain's running too. This is stupid. Of course I gotta pull up to the front door. I feel like we can get some epic photos here though. Nice. It was cheap, I swear.
Just living like the president.
Yeah, I know. Oh, all that FD money's gone right to his head. I feel like I should take my shoes off. There's the pool. There's the hot tub. Damn. Oh my God. This is way too fit. This is silly. This is actually silly. Oh my God.
I love it.
Oh, there's a glass of wine on us. There you go. Do you drink red?
I do.
You do now.
You and your loved ones enjoy your stay.
They have no idea who rented this house. Bedroom 1. It's got, damn. I love when one of the spare bedrooms has a TV as big as most people's TVs.
Their main TV.
Yeah.
Closet under the stairs.
There's another living. Oh, fuck yes.
Nice.
All right, let's go. This one might be my bedroom. It's a shared bed. Shared bed bath. There's another waiting room. Damn. It's very old worldy. Oh, yeah. Sorry, this one's mine. If you'd like to use the bath, you can.
Jesus.
Jess is going to be so mad that she doesn't get to take this bath.
It has actual coffee.
And I think we can walk all the way out to the river. Damn. This hot tub's going to happen, though.
I love little hot tub.
Oh, man.
Adjacent.
There's a barbecue, so that's good. Unlike fresh tattoos and open bodies of water. All right, we are at the event ahead of time. Got our bands, find out everything tomorrow, met with everybody. Hopefully the wind noise isn't brutal. And yeah, we're gonna probably head back to Airbnb. Might go get dinner with some people. And yeah, but beautiful sunset. Love this track. And I don't know what the rest of the night will do. We'll see. No plans. All right, made it. It is first thing in the morning. It's 9 a.m. and it is already packed. This day is going to be crazy. I have a feeling it is going to be insanely busy. I'm thinking these are like, I don't even know. Hopefully you guys can see because I can't. We'll take a walk around. Maybe we'll go see a couple of the guys and see what this looks like. This is nuts. All right, it's 10 o'clock. The main gates are now open. And there is like a lineup all the way out. That is crazy. There's gotta be, oh, look at how far back it goes. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah, there's no point even showing you because you can't see the end of it, but this is gonna be, I don't know where they're gonna put everybody. You need one of those? The old RDO.
Copy, I'll check it.
Alright, I'm up here with Dave Eagan. I'm gonna try not to say anything too crazy. We've got 1 minute till countdown, and absolutely packed. It is nuts. All right, all wrapped up at the event. We're already back to the Airbnb now, so we're gonna make burgers for the team. I think we're gonna grab a hot tub and basically just hang out. This place is epic. Super cool rental. Maybe I'll put a link down if you're ever near the track or want to do something crazy. It actually wasn't that expensive, all things considered. Cheaper than getting hotels for people. So make some burgers, probably, yeah, hang out and go from there. So now day 2. We're back, do a little walk through the car show. Had a good night last night, had a team over, everyone hanging out. Yeah, so today is fantasy battles. I still haven't seen the bracket to see what that looks like. And then is our final set of competition. So, pretty pumped, should be good. Sorry about the wind and the noise, but that's what it is. Oh no, you were supposed to turn around. It's Matt Marcoux. All right, teach me, Matt Marcoux.
Whoa.
It's auto settings, everything.
Yeah.
Always.
Copy paste. All
right, show me your best banger. Like, what is the one, if you had to walk away with one image from this event?
There's two. There's
Okay.
2 right now. This one's in contention.
Oh, shit. Okay, that's
This
pretty
one's
sick.
definitely in contention. And then...
It's blocking it all.
No, I was trying to see it because of the glare. Or this one.
That's actually pretty sick.
Thanks.
Big sunsets here.
Big sunset guy.
Big sunset guy. All right, the wind got a little bit crazy here, so we moved inside. This is the new setup. Basically, this is what it looks like. Oh, there's Dave.
Hello, friend.
I'm trying to provide how glorious this job really is as we sit in a shipping container.
Well, we were in a tent.
We were in a tent.
The tent is now on its way across the Atlantic.
Yeah, it's going back home.
Yeah.
So it came from Ireland, it's going home.
Let's go back to Ireland. Took off before, so we're in here now. Kind of makeshift, but
It's not
it'll
too
work.
bad. I've been in worse.
You know what? Obviously, it looks good. So
That's it. That's
it doesn't
it.
matter what it looks like.
Don't need to see how the sausages
You know, all people will see it.
There, so like right like this?
They'll assume we're in some very fancy
Yeah.
sort of tower. But meanwhile,
Yeah, from this angle, like it looks beautiful, right?
so it's like Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram reality. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Absolutely epic weekend. Stoked that I got to announce this event. It went incredibly well. Thank you to Adam LZ us what you want to see better, different. Appreciate all the support and everybody who's been excited about me announcing, and I'm gonna hang out with everybody for a little bit. Call it a night.